Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia.
Guys, this story that happened in Durban of this woman who was sent to ICU by a Burundi man. Slicer, literally, guys, Mgwas. I'm like, it was even in machete that he was using. Who knows? They're not telling us, they're just saying the child called them, the family members, umfundisi waseBurundi stabbing my mother. I'm like, let me tell you something about them. Stay away from Bon. Because labantu laba bayafundiswa le ekhaya ukulwa ngikutshela. By 10 you are a full on soldier. By 10 years old. Bafika la bafuna nje ukusiqeda. They wanna finish us. Literally mangewona ama-Somalians edlisa ingane. Namanje ayidlisa khona ezishonile for the past week. Ezishonile zidlale these things. Guys, stay away. Uyabona nje uma umbona ubaleke kakhulu. Angazi ukuthi ufike kanjani kulo muzi ngo-4 ekuseni usegwazana nalo mama uloku busy asking her ukuthi awubhuti wakho the pastor Pastor Mjosti is supporting March and March. Guys, it doesn't matter ukuthi Pastor Mjosti is supporting March and March or he doesn't support it. If you're from Burundi, why would you care about such things? If unamaphepha umfundisi, right? So what? And then you just go straight to your sister and slice her up. Guys, this is just now getting crazier. I want to join umuntu Nini was even trying to analyze himself. I was just like, no, Pila Baba. So there's also what were you trying to do to this woman? And he asked, I really pray good to this woman. I'll be right. I have to be guys. He was just finishing her up. But some slice 40 times, guys. That's just crazy, guys. Abantu abayingani kubo. And bayabulala lapha abadlali. They're very dangerous. Hey, yo. And ngapha eMpumalanga Mkhuhlu, some people who were sitting in the car, they just started to shoot at them. And but 37 people for the past 8 months at least have been unalived. But some police they keep on saying, no, we're closing in on them. But who are those people that are unaliving people in that area? We are one of the guys who say, "Accept safe life in." But in Mkhuhlu, you can't even walk around at 8 o'clock in the night.
Standing outside the home of one of the artists who we had given thanks and acknowledgement to on the 30th of June, Pastor Mjosti. So on the 30th of June, he was one of the artists that we said has shown his support to March and March. And then today I got a call from him in the morning saying that, there's been an incident here. So his sister had been going to a church which was run by a man from Burundi, and that church was eventually closed. When the church was closed, she was going to another church. But now this pastor from Burundi started calling her after hearing us acknowledge him at the March and March, and asked her why is her brother supporting March and March. To which she explained that obviously he's an old man, he can support whoever he wants. And then after that, the man showed up in the wee hours of the morning and stabbed her 43 times, if I'm not mistaken, 40 plus times, and as well as their little daughter here. So she's currently in hospital under intensive care. But also the guy was caught thanks to the neighbor who was very brave and ran after him and went to call the police. This guy is a guy from Burundi. He came into South Africa, God knows as what, but he started a church, and apparently that church was closed down. After the church was closed down, he then became a car guard. But this particular man is also a soldier, trained soldier. So he was in the country walking around doing God knows what to survive. And today, he's absolutely destroyed a family and stabbed a woman 40-something times just because that woman is related to someone who supports March and March. And we're not going to have that because we're not supposed to have such people in our country in the first place. But our government has subjected us to such people who are soldiers, trained soldiers in their own country, coming to our country and doing all of these things. So, yeah, we're still praying that she recovers, and yeah.
Morning. I think let's just start off by talking about what actually took place. We can see visuals of what happened, but just explain to us, take us through what happened.
Sabona sisi engakusho kwenzekile izolo ngekhathi zabo past 4 ekseni sifonele umshana wethu wentombazane ekhala escream ethi malume phuthumani la ngumfundisi uyasiqeda ngombese la endlini sinomama. And then ilapho ke bese sitatazela ke sesifonelana ke sifamily kuzanywa ufonelwa namaphoyisa ke masifika lana ke sifike sesiyesa samfica usiselele lapha phansi echibini legazi. So emdabule nje umzimba wonke yonke indawo kanje konke nje elimele ku critical. So sibese sesizwa ukuthi ke ngomshana wethu omncane ukuthi lo mnumzane lo olimaze udadewethu pastor seBurundi nesonto bebelihamba la lo pastor leyo so be a friend of a family yabo mesho obebuya bavisit kanjalo lesumkhuleko kanjalo but sina ke njengomndeni ke asimazi ke lo muntu loyo nanokuthi ke okukhona nje manje esizakuzwe ngondodaka ngomshana wethu so okuningi silinda ukuthi udadewethu aphaphame asitshene ama details azo zonke izinto kose sisakwazi lo and then okunye ke okwenzekile ke sesichecka la endlini sathola ukuthi indla alikho igazi elingekho khona bengathi ubemhlinzi